Good morning, America. Good morning, Sugar Ridge. What's it, the 8th today? March 8th?
Geomagnetic interference, that's the word of the day.
No. No, I don't like it. Word of the day.
Geomagnetic interference, that's the word of the day.
No.
Word on the street
No, I don't like
geomagnetic
it.
interference.
Word of the day. You can take your geomagnetic interference and shove it.
Word on the street is geomagnetic interference.
Move it along. Move that geomagnetic interference along.
Oh,
Move it on.
been a while. Been almost a month since we've been to the range.
Oh my lord.
I don't know if I still know how to do it or not.
Yeah. In a few weeks anyway. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. John, Joe Pye been missing us. Hey, where's my guys? Where's my guys?
I see something. Hey, there's my targets.
Can you see your target? I better put some ears on, huh? Let's put these on. Okay, they're on. No, they're not. No, they're not. There. There. Now they are. Oh, yeah. Yes. Now, adjust the volume so I can hear him talk. Okay. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Very good. Noise canceling headphones. With amplifiers in them, volume control, you turn up and down to adjust them. So we can talk back and forth just like normal. We're sitting here without headphones for ear protection on. And then when the guns go off, it muffles that. I'm just going to put one in at a time.
Start out with his old 308.
Oh, 350. 350. 308.
308.
Too much powder reloading those. You stick with the freaking AR platforms that we were shooting, it doesn't cost as much. Just saying.
Fire in the hole.
See what happens. Fire in the hole. If you like over my ear. I wonder which drop-in trigger this is that I've got in here. Oh, I know what this is. This is a Davidson Defense drop-in trigger. 2.5 pound killer. Oh, man. That's what this one is. That one was good. The Durkin Tactical drop-in, that was trash.
Man, that was a
Right.
straight up bullseye first shot.
Straight up bullshit, first shot?
What's up with that?
That's a straight up bullshit, huh?
Okay. Get that out of the way. Now the rest of them probably won't be worth a shit.
On the paper target?
Yep, right
the middle?
On the top
On
of
the top? Ain't no way!
Yep. Sure enough. Just to the left side of the fold.
I see it. That's it. Put it back in the case. Let's go home.
That's it. Yep.
Nothing.
Yeah, now this was 3 inches off to the left now. The second shot was.
That means that the first one was just a fluke, you know.
Yeah, that's right.
That bullseye just a fluke.
Gotta get the barrel warmed up.
Yeah. Yeah, you get the barrel warmed up before they start flying all over the place.
Yeah.
Yeah. Watch out now. Oh, no.
A little high. She's a little high with those. Alright, here we are at the target. There's the 308 target. 6.5 with the Stay Boss 6.5 powder, which I normally don't use. But yeah. Way down there. Way down there, right back. Right back there. Okay.
Why is that far? That far off. That was far off. I was 3-4 inches off. The bullseye. see it in there. Can't even see it in there. I don't think I hit the paper. How you doing? Did you see a bullet hole in that target anywhere? The one that you gave me?
Target.
The one you gave me. I only shot it once. I don't see a bullet hole in it. I shot right in the center.
I was looking over at the far left target. There's a flyer over there.
Yeah, there is. There's a bullet hole in that. What the heck? You gotta be kidding me. How does it miss the whole paper? I haven't missed the paper yet today. How would it do that now?
Yeah, I don't see one at all.
I mean, there ain't been one shot that's
And I
been
don't see
like,
one on the left target or the right.
I
So
haven't
it
taken a
had to
shot.
have went high.
There ain't been a shot I took today that's been more than 4 or 5 inches off. What the hell? Oh my God! How do you not hit the whole target then? Let's see what happens. Maybe it's just a few goals. How you doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
Pretty good. At least we're hanging in there.
Yeah.
Got ears on? You
Yeah.
have ears on, dude.
I got ears. I'm good.
Let's just take a couple shots and put the target up your arm.
Okay.
Me and my brother put together, so.
All right.
I'm supposed to do it.
You put a target up?
Yeah, I'm gonna go after he gets done.
You want to go down and you want to go to the 25 and laser sight in something? Find a spot that police laser sight is.
Good?
Yep.
Okay, let me just take this one shot. Okay, we're good. The box shows that shoot right now. Then the whole group come walk up here, see that?
It seemed like I looked around and I guess the hunter must be packed.
Yeah.
Diamondback shooting for 24 scope. Looks like it. Is that 6x24 Diamondback scope?
Yeah.
I got the exact same thing, man. They do scope.
Yeah.
I got 3 of them. What's that in? Is it in my 3? I think it's in my 3. Might be in there.
We're gonna head to Howell Park on the way home and check out them drones, man. It's still early. It's just now 12:30.
Yeah. Well, let's do that.
Just if it ain't too windy, we'll check them out.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's just see if we can't get that. We're done, and we just got to go down and pick our targets up.
Perfect timing then.
Yeah.